Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's another beautiful Saturday morning and I'm here back in my garden. If you're new in growing succulents or having a hard time growing one, stay tuned because this video is made for you. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Filipina and welcome to Gardening with Filipina.
In this video, I will show you how to grow succulents from cuttings. These cuttings was given to me by my husband's coworker. When I got the cuttings, it was in the box. So what I did, since I don't have time to plant them right away, I made sure that I took them out from the box to air them out, and I placed them in a cool and dry place. Don't worry if you don't plant your cuttings right away. They will survive and some of them will even start to root. You can also plant them right away after cutting them off from its mother plant, as long as you use dry soil mixture when you plant them. What I usually do is wait 2 to 3 days after cutting them off from its mother plant before planting them. And I use both moist or dry soil, whatever is available. Make sure you are using proper soil mixture and also use pot with hose. I will put the link in the description below, or feel free to ask me down in the comment section about proper succulent soil mixture. After planting, make sure to place them in a shaded but bright area to prevent them from too much sun exposure. Once they started to root in about 3 to 4 weeks, you can slowly expose them to longer hours in the sun, but still avoiding the afternoon or the high temperature above 85 degrees. If it's over 90 degrees, then move the plants to shaded area. Water only when the soil is completely dry. If you use dry soil to plant your cuttings, you can water them after 3 weeks. For your old plants, check the soil by poking the soil with your index finger about 1 to 2 inches, or use toothpick for tiny pots or barbecue stick for bigger pots. And if it comes out dry and the pot feels light when you lift it up, then that's a time to water your plant. It's normal to see the bottom leaves drying up and falling off weeks after planting. This is the sign that your plants are building up roots. So these are the plants that I propagated through cuttings. So this is lily pad, hindi ko na alam yung pangalan ng iba. So this one is similar to the one here, yung kanina, 'di ba? Ganyan din siya. So ito cuttings din yan, this one too. And sa lahat to cuttings yan. Ito, this is from my sister. And remember yung nag-unboxing ako, ito yun, dumami na siya. This is cuttings too. Ayan din, yan, mga cuttings yan sila. This one is cuttings. Diba? So lahat sila mga, madali lang mag-propagate through cuttings din eh. Importante, ano lang, just be patient. And, wag, yung temptation na magdilig, iwasan. Kasi ayaw nila ng maraming tubig.